This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome, students. In today's video and this video, we will be having some practice on present continuous tense and helping verb for present continuous tense are is, are, and am, and we use first form of the verb plus ing. So before I start, I just would like to have a quick recap for you, so it's going to be easy for you when we'll start practicing. Present continuous tense has three helping verbs, which are is, are, and am. And in this tense, we use first form of the verb plus ing. So let's start our practice today. He is going to school. Full stop. He is not going to school. If you notice here, we have placed not in center in between helping verb, which is, and going, which is verb. So let's convert this into interrogative. Is he going to school? Question mark. Now let's take another example. She is reading a book. She is not reading a book. Is she reading a book? Question mark. So let's have another example. They are eating food. They are not eating food. Are they eating food? In every example, you must have had seen by now that we place for the negative sentences not in between helping verb and the verb. And every sentence for the interrogative, it starts with helping verb. So let's have some more examples for better and clear understanding. He is sleeping. He is not sleeping. Is he sleeping? Question mark. Let's have another example. They are buying clothes. They are not buying clothes. Question mark. Let's start with the interrogative sentence. Are they buying clothes? Question mark. Let's have some more examples. You are going to university. You are not going to university. Full stop. Are you going to university? Question mark. Let's have another example. We are buying fruits. We are not buying fruits. Are we buying fruits? Question mark. In order to have a proper command when you are learning a language, I'll give you a suggestion which is equally important. If you feel short of vocabulary, the best way to increase a vocabulary bank, that you start reading a newspaper, so be it a hard copy or you can read it online, or you start reading a book, or you start watching a TV show or a movie with subtitles and without subtitles. When you start watching movies, let's say for example any TV show or any talk show, and if you see there are subtitles available, then my recommendation in the starting, you start watching with subtitles, and gradually you then skip some parts without subtitles, and start watching without subtitles, just to see your active listening. Because when you're learning a language, it's not just you should be able to speak or you just should be able to write. It should be clearly confirmed to you that if somebody will talk to you in English, you should be having active listening as a capacity to understand the other person. Because if you will understand clearly the other person, that's the only way you will be able to reply what is being asked, and you would be able to have a healthy conversation. So bear that in mind, that in order to increase active listening, you need to start reading newspapers or articles or books, up to you what are your interests in. And then you should also consider watching TV series or movies or talk shows or documentaries, or whatever you feel like the best for you. So let's have some more examples and see how far we have come in terms of understanding. It is raining. It is not raining. Is it raining? Question mark. Let's have another example. She is having a cup of tea. She is going to market. She is not going to market. Is she going to market? Question mark. Let's have another example. You are traveling. You are not traveling. Are you traveling? Question mark. So I hope it should be easy for you when you are the way we are having practice and the way you have gone through the videos. During the videos, I've been requesting all my viewers and the students to make sure you have a notebook and a pen with you, so you should be able to practice alongside watching the video. This is what it makes more far easier for you. So let's have another example. We are watching TV. We are not watching TV. Are we watching TV? Question mark. So in today's video, we have done some practice of present continuous tense. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please keep doing practice. That's the only key to success. And I will see you next episode and I will see you next video. Thank you for watching. Bye now. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.